speeches and war of words between the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay and the leader of opposition Udayanidhi Stalin in the Tamil Nadu State Assembly today over the Kaveri River water issue and the Meghdadu Dam issue. In fact, the leader of opposition Udayanidhi Stalin began his speech by asking the Chief Minister why he has not convened an all-party meeting yet to discuss about the Kaveri water issue and the Meghdadu issue, whereas the Karnataka government has already been taking a lot of steps. They've been going on for inspections. They've been meeting the finance minister and the union finance minister and the union Jal Shakti minister, and they are taking all steps to get the project done. And why is the Tamil Nadu government staying silent and not doing anything? And he demanded some answers, for which and he also asked questions about how the Kaveri Delta farmers in Tamil Nadu are affected because of the rain deficit, as well as how the Karnataka government has not released the water to Tamil Nadu, which has resulted in the death of a lot of crops and a lot of people have been affected, and how the Tamil Nadu government is planning to give them relief funds and compensation for this. For which the Chief Minister spoke about how he's already, given out the special packages to these farmers, and that the agriculture minister and the water resources minister will give detailed explanation to this. And in fact, he made a joke about how a party that claims to be the political definition in Tamil Nadu does not even know about this and is not even aware about this, for which he also advised the opposition to go read newspapers, for which the leader of opposition made a joke back or made a counter again, saying that reading newspapers is not enough. Knowing how a government works and knowing how the state functions is what is more important. That is what we witnessed in the Tamil Nadu State Assembly today. Massive war of words and fiery exchanges between the Chief Minister and the leader of opposition.